So guys, before I begin with the video, I got a challenge for you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about my new videos. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be helping you to fix keyboard not working problem. This problem is common in most laptops and PCs, and also it has been a long time since I posted many videos. So let's get right into it. First, what you have to do is right click on the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. If there's any problem with your keyboard, it'll be right shown and you can troubleshoot it. If there isn't any and it is maybe a glitch or virus, so what you have to do is go to your keyboards and select your device. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. First click on the automatically search option. Once your driver is searched and you have selected and installed latest drivers or the best drivers, close it. And then what you have to do is right click and click on Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of file of drivers on my computer. Then select your device. Click on Next. Install the drivers. Once you've done that, close and restart your computer. If it still hasn't been installed after I've done the first step, you have to go to Registry Editor. Not to do that, you have to enable on-screen keyboard. So go to your settings, direct yourself to ease of access. Once you're there, go to keyboards and enable on-screen keyboard. Now right click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Then type Registry Edit. Use an abbreviation REG Edit. Click on Enter. Enable command permission. Direct yourself to HKey local machine system current control set services i8042 PRT. Then double click on Start and set the value data to 1. Click on OK. And then after you close the window, restart your PC and your keyboard will be working fine. I hope that this solves the problem, and thank you for watching this video.